Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you the best motorcycle repair shop in Greenville. So I met this guy back about 3 years ago. I was at Road Atlanta filming a race team down there, doing a promo for them, and I met this mechanic. Ended up having something go wrong with my Harley-Davidson at the time. I had heard he had worked for Harley-Davidson before. He was also working on my buddy's bike who was racing, and I felt, hey, if this guy's trusting him and this bike's running 185 miles an hour around Road Atlanta, I can definitely trust him with my Harley. So today I'm going to show you his new shop. It's right off White Horse Road. So if you're leaving downtown Greenville, you're going to take 183 and take a right onto 25 or White Horse Road at that area, and we're going to show you the shop. JD Motorcycle Repair. Anything you need, this is the guy to go to. He does custom work, fabrication, services any kind of bike. I mean, I've seen tons of different types of bikes in there, Harleys, Ducatis, Aprilias, whatever the case may be, this is your guy. He does great work. Looks like we got a couple Harley's pulling up. If I know Josh, these guys are definitely probably headed there too. Watch, we follow these guys. I bet they're going to his place. They're doing an open house today, so there's gonna be a bunch of bikes. Just trying to welcome friends and family to the shop, get the word out there about this place. It really is. It's an awesome place, and the location is just top notch. I know Josh does a lot of work on Harleys, does a lot of custom work. He's won some bike nights with some of the bikes he's built and fabricated. So I mean, this is the guy to go to if you're in the Greenville area, especially if you need something like custom made. Like, if you can think it, this guy can build it. Yeah, so this is also the reason we're going over here is this is where the Hayabusa is going to get all its service done. So this is where we're going to be doing all the videos concerning service on the Hayabusa. This week we're going to be getting the 5,000 mile service done, so we're going to show you that, and this is going to kind of be the headquarters of where all this stuff goes down, all the maintenance we show you, all that kind of stuff. So this is going to be pretty cool. Man, some really cool bikes here. This is some stuff he's created. The man himself. Yeah, so you can tell, I mean, look at this place. This is really cool. So I'm glad I was able to get here and check this out, and I can't wait to get the Hayabusa in here and see all the stuff we're gonna do. So guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to check back with us. Hit that like and subscribe button. We're going to be doing a lot of videos out of here covering service on the Hayabusa and service on a lot of different motorcycles. So be sure to tune in.